Let's come over and look at the European indices this morning. So the FTSE is doing its usual. I'm not going to cooperate and be messy, sloppy and horrible, but that aside, off last week's low, a 1, 2. I thought the 3 might be in here yesterday, but it's come up and actually tagged this 1.0 extension here on the nose this morning. And I think we're getting an A, B, C, so a WXY pattern into here for a 4 in a diagonal. Then we need to see it push up. Ideally, we've got to take this line out. While we're below this line, this can be a 1, 2, 3, and this is a 4 in a diagonal, and we still go down and see those lower levels. All the details are in the posts in the forum and the updates and charts that I've been posting there this morning for the UK FTSE. But those are the levels I'm watching in it. I don't have a position in it. I'm not going to trade this one, I don't think. What I do have a position in is the German DAX to the long side. And it's behaving much better. So I've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for 1 up, 2 back. The 3 last night came, or yesterday rather, hit the 1764. The 4 this morning, just picture perfect stuff, into the top of the support zone that I had on the early morning charts, right into the 138.2. And then we're getting this 1, 2, I think we've got a 3 and 4, and we're going to get a 5th up. We poked our head above this line. That's enough to invalidate lower in an ending diagonal. What I do want to see is this 4 taken out next at 12,462. Ideally on this wave 1 up, or the 5th of the one. It doesn't have to. It's done enough to tip the balance in favour of last week's low being the swing low now. So depending on where we top, I'm looking for a move back here for the 2. Those of you that are not long the the DAX, that's going to be, I think, your last opportunity for quite some time. And do be aware, we can get a shallow 2, which is exactly what we saw on the last leg up in the German DAX. So for me, I'm just holding long positions and being patient, looking for levels well in excess of 14,000 ideally. But all of the boxes and targets on each time frame are on the charts on the site. I have taken to updating the site charts as I go along each morning as well now for the European indices and the currencies and commodities. So you'll find they're all up to date as of the last hour or so on the site. Coming